If you are dealing with a recurring water bug infestation in-house, then treating them like normal cockroaches may be the biggest mistake. Because a water bug infestation in-house is often not just a dirty kitchen problem.
In many homes, water bugs actually enter from drains, wet pipelines, outdoor moisture, and hidden water channels. That means spraying random insect killers may kill one bug, but not stop the real source.
Most cockroaches mainly stay near food waste and dirty hiding spots. But water bugs behave differently. A water bug infestation in-house is usually connected more to moisture and damp areas than leftover food. That is why water bugs are commonly seen near bathroom drains, balconies, utility spaces, leaking pipes, and sewer-connected areas. These places stay damp for long periods, which attracts water bugs. In many homes, the infestation does not actually start inside the house itself. Water bugs can travel from drainage systems, outdoor wet soil, stagnant water nearby, or underground pipe gaps. This is why normal cockroach sprays often stop working after a few days. The visible bug may die, but if moisture and entry routes are still active, new water bugs can continue entering the house.
Seeing one water bug once in a while may not always mean a serious infestation. But if water bugs keep appearing again and again from the same areas, then the problem may already be growing inside the house. Pay attention to where you are seeing them most often. Common problem areas include bathroom drains, sink pipe corners, under washing machines, and balcony water outlets. These damp areas often support water bug activity. If water bug sightings increase during rainy weather, humid nights, or after plumbing leakage, then moisture is likely becoming the main reason behind the infestation. A recurring water bug infestation in-house is often a sign that hidden moisture or water-connected entry points are still active somewhere inside or around the home.
One of the biggest mistakes people make during a water bug infestation in-house is focusing only on the bugs they can see. Many people clean kitchen counters, spray air fresheners, or use insect spray directly on the bug. These steps may remove temporary activity, but they usually do not fix the real source of the infestation. Water bugs often survive because damp conditions are still present somewhere inside the house. For example, wet drains, leaking pipes, damp corners, or water collecting near walls. If moisture and water entry points are not controlled properly, a water bug infestation in-house can keep returning even after repeated cleaning and spraying.
When dealing with a water bug infestation in-house, the first step is not spraying chemicals. The first step is reducing moisture inside the home. Start checking areas where hidden water collects regularly. Look for leaking taps, loose pipe joints, AC water outlets, refrigerator drip trays, and damp corners around the house. Even small amounts of hidden moisture can support water bug activity. That is why some infestations continue even when the house looks clean from outside. As moisture reduces, the environment slowly becomes less suitable for water bugs to survive and move around inside the house. Unlike many indoor cockroaches, water bugs often travel through entry routes connected to water systems. So focus on blocking drain openings, pipe gaps, bathroom tile cracks, and spaces under sink cabinets. Simple drain covers and sealants can reduce movement dramatically. Now focus on hidden moisture zones that people usually ignore: behind washing machines, under storage racks, utility balconies, and dark plumbing corners. This is where water bugs stay inactive during daytime. Nighttime is when water bugs become most active. Before sleeping, dry the sink area, avoid standing water, close garbage lids, and improve ventilation in bathrooms. Reducing overnight moisture makes the environment less attractive to them.
If water bugs continue appearing even after moisture control, the infestation may be connected to deeper drainage systems, sewer lines, or wall voids. At that stage, deeper inspection becomes more important than repeated surface spraying.
A water bug infestation in-house should be treated as a moisture and entry point problem first, not just a cleaning problem. The goal is not only killing visible bugs. The real goal is removing moisture attraction, blocking travel routes, and changing the environment that supports them. And once those conditions change, water bug activity usually starts reducing naturally.
If you found this video useful, then like, share, and subscribe for more practical home pest control videos. And comment below which area of your house attracts the most water bugs.